Record it. All right, some harmonic ideas for you for our ongoing class for Silent Night. We have found some chord substitutions, and I just wanted to show you some more that I had found. And I added a C diminished chord. Okay, what is that? It looks like this. Let me give you the numbers. 2, 3, 2, 3. I like to think of this as doing a D7. So let's just start with your D7. Regular D7, index and middle. Now what we're going to do with our two other fingers that are free right now is form another D7 shape. We're going to do that in the 3rd fret on the two strings that are open, which would be the C and the A strings. So watch here. Here's a D7 form, and here's a D7 form. They're right next to each other, and one is down a step, down a string. Did you notice I checked myself out? I was out of the sweet spot and I was thudding. There we go. Still out of there. There we go. Now, you know, diminished chords are just great. Each one of these notes is the root of the chord. And this is a movable form in a most unusual way. I'm going to use my index finger as the anchor and the guide finger. Hang on, I have to clear my throat. Looking at my index finger, I'm going to move it and the entire form up to the 5th fret. In other words, I'm going to skip 2 frets. So moving the whole thing up, and you see what I'm doing with my elbow, and I'm bringing the neck up so I can grab this thing? 5th fret. Let's try that again. Starts in the 2nd fret, in the anchor finger in the 2nd fret. Move the whole thing up to the 5th fret. That is an inversion. We are playing the exact same chord, except the notes are stacked on top of each other differently. So we get this effect. And we can keep going. So, index finger on the 5th fret, we want to skip 2 frets. Where will the index finger land? On the 8th fret. Listen to this. Okay, we're going to throw that into this song. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and sing this or hum it, and I'm going to call out the chords that I'm substituting. All of them. So starting with the C, C, C major 7, C6, C major 7, D minor, G7, C, C7, get ready, F, C diminished, not cool? To C, to A minor, F, C diminished, C, A minor, D minor, G7, E7, A minor, D7, C, then a little G7 sus, G7 sus, G7 to C. Okay, let's try it together. Silent night, holy night, D minor. All is calm, G7, C. All is bright, C7, F. Diminished, to mother and child, A minor, F. Diminished, C, A minor, D minor, G, E7, A minor, and then milk it, D7. Give it a nice little pause, a rubato, maybe add a D7 suspended. That's suspended. Here's our D7. To suspend that, create a lot more tension, you can just put your baby finger or your ring finger on the E string in the 3rd fret. We've played this many times in this class. I lost my place. Let's do a play along. I'm going to slow this down. See if you like any of these chords. Do what feels right to you. Let's slow it down even more. 1, 2, 3. Silent night, holy night. All is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, asleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. What did I do there? I just played the notes in the C chord on the A string. C, 7th fret, E, 10th fret, G, note, and then up here. So there's some ideas for you to work on.